How to fix Upscrolled not logging in on your iPhone. Let's get started. For that, first of all, make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. If your connection is weak, you can try moving closer to router or switching to a different network. After that, simply open up the App Store and then in the search bar, simply search for Upscrolled. Tap onto it, and if an update is available, simply tap on update. After that, you have to simply restart the app. Simply close the Upscrolled app completely from your home screen and then reopen it. Now, sometimes the issue might be with Upscrolled servers, so you can simply visit the Upscrolled official website or social media page to see if there is any reported outage. Now, if you're having trouble with your login credential, you can simply tap on Forgot Password right over here and then follow the on-screen instruction to reset your password via email. Now, if the problem still persists, long press on the app, tap on Remove App, tap on Delete App, then tap on Delete again. Once deleted, open the App Store and then simply reinstall the app. After that, you can try logging in again. Now, as a last resort, you can simply restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve login issues, so power off your phone, wait for a few seconds and then turn it back again. That's it. Hopefully, you are now able to log in into your Upscrolled app on your iPhone. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.